Welcome everyone to another hybrid Fleet Forum virtual conference. I'm Fred Burgle.
And I'm Jonathan Gourlay. Together, we are the co-CEOs for TGS. We will be presenting this session with a few of our TGS colleagues.
TGS is delighted to be partnering with the Fleet Forum once again to host the annual conference.
All of us at TGS are proud to have aided many of your organizations during the last 27 years in your diligent work to make the world a better place. Since last year, Toyota Tsusho Corporation has appointed TGS as a specialized distributor for direct sales to the United Nations and international aid and humanitarian organizations. A new status as a specialized distributor will enable us to develop further opportunities for our customers. Our partnership with Toyota is stronger than ever, with plenty of potential growth for the future. One of those new opportunities include the setting up of another stocking location in Dubai, from where TGS is now able to supply vehicles to nearby countries. We are also working on another project for a Durban depot, from where we will be able to supply vehicles built in South Africa to some Southern African destinations. These additional stock locations will provide more flexibility to our customers, quicker deliveries for some destinations, and aim to reduce our carbon footprint further by supplying our customers with vehicles closer to their operations.
This year is another record participation, with over 1,000 people from all over the world registered to attend. As with previous years, we all continue to face challenges. We're all now dealing with the aftermath of COVID. War and conflicts continue to spread. Ukraine, Sudan, and many others causing widespread uncertainties. Security instability across many parts of the world continues to impact our daily lives, leading to food shortages and threats of famine. All this while we aim to work towards a sustainable fleet for the benefit of our future. Production challenges due to disruptions of the automotive supply chain continue. Shortages of semiconductors, electrical components, delays in manufacturing delivery times, and logistical bottlenecks contribute towards these misfortunes. We have, thanks to Toyota, continued working tirelessly to minimise and counter the adverse effects on your operations. During this presentation, we will summarise and reflect on our action plan of last year. Moving on, we will then outline TGS's actions in several initiatives towards the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, such as our commitment to environmental, financial and social sustainability, as highlighted this year by Fleet Forum. We will also present new TGS developments relating to products and services in the coming year.
Last year, we mentioned the introduction of the RAV4 hybrid. We see this as a key model in our vehicle lineup for the future.
Hi everybody, my name is Jean-Philippe Lezeau and I'm the manager of the training department of TGS. Last year we introduced the RAV4 hybrid to our lineup, which was an essential milestone for TGS. We've started to supply some countries, albeit with production limitation. The Toyota RAV4 is a 2.5-litre self-charging hybrid with Euro 5 emission control. The hybrid technology combined with the automatic transmission results in a reduction in fuel economy. A unique combination of high torque and low emission makes the RAV4 the go-anywhere vehicle ideally suited to countries, roads and city streets. Toyota uses several recycled material to construct the RAV4, including recycled plastic, metal and fabric. The RAV4 is 85% recyclable, with 95% of its parts being recoverable. The manufacturing plants that produce the RAV4 are powered by renewable energy sources, including solar, wind and hydroelectric power. These initiatives helps to reduce the environmental impact of the vehicle's production. This makes the RAV4 a practical and suitable choice for on- and light off-road capability with a reduced carbon footprint for your organization's fleet.
Additionally, the Toyota Starlet, a passenger economy car, is expected to be made available for us. Fit for city purposes where combustion engine emissions tend to be higher, and it's estimated to produce 0.68 grams of CO2 per 100 kilometers, with fuel consumption of just 5.7 litres per 100 kilometers. Toyota continues its efforts to produce mobility solutions for all in every part of the world by innovating new and sustainable vehicles so no one is left behind in the quest to improve sustainability. Notably, the goal of Toyota is to continue introducing new models with the capacity to offer an efficient maintenance service, organized disposal of batteries, and safe usage in the field. However, the pace of introducing electrified vehicles continues to depend on regional factors and, of course, preparedness of the regions in question. We had also mentioned our TGS road safety program, a continuation of the UN road safety program, which aimed at reinforcing road safety in the field through innovative driver training. 2022 was a fantastic start for TGS to contribute to the social sustainability and road safety in the humanitarian sector. Launching our online learning platform supports you with the continuing success of these learning services to field drivers and also managers. We discussed our vision for fleet management services in the future and how support in data analysis could assist fleet managers in making decisions and recommendations. We continue to navigate our services to adapt to the future of fleet management.
To contribute to sustainable development within the humanitarian and aid sector, TGS has been implementing sustainable initiatives. TGS has been listening to our customers' feedback to adapt our focus on sustainable issues with new ideas and technologies in anticipation of future government regulations. However, global environmental matters of concern, such as climate change, water shortages, resource depletion, and loss of biodiversities, continue to have a negative impact. We want to share with you our initiatives relating to the UN SDGs strategy and provide you with an update on where we are today and where we are heading in the future. We will explore further our environmental, financial and social sustainability commitments. Let me introduce you to Joanna Niche and Ian Martinez, who together will explain further our sustainability commitments.
Thank you, Jonathan. I'm Joanna Niche and I'm a Sales Operation Assistant Manager.
And I'm Ian Martinez, the TGS Workshop Manager. The UN Sustainable Development Goals provide guidelines to pledge a commitment to change and tackling our conscious responsibilities to protect our environment. We shall present our commitments relating to the following. Number 7, affordable and clean energy. Number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Number 12, consumption and production. And lastly, number 14, life below water. Firstly, let's look at number 7, affordable and clean energy. On a local level, we have installed 1,071 square meters of solar panels. This solar farm allows the company to use 100% renewable energy and is enough electricity to power 100 plus households. To provide context for this power output, an average EV vehicle consumes 201 watts per kilometer, and our facility produces enough power to drive an EV vehicle 1,447,263 kilometers. Moving on to number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. In our workshops, our newly installed paint ovens use efficient exhaust filters. Combined with the green electricity generated by our solar panels, our paint ovens produce 40% less CO2 emissions than conventional paint ovens. Our state-of-the-art heating, ventilation and air conditioning, our HVAC system, the first of its kind installed in Gibraltar, maintains a constant temperature throughout our offices, resulting in a 30% reduction in energy costs per year compared to our individual air conditioning units. On our new office building, built in 2021, has been designed to maximize the 2,778 hours of sunshine Gibraltar receives per year, reducing the use of lighting and our energy consumption. In our workshops, our technicians use digital tablets, replacing paper records, reducing paper waste and reducing CO2 emissions. According to data from the Environmental Paper Network, producing a single sheet of paper with no recycled content is responsible for about 13.6 grams of carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere. By contrast, when considering the life cycle of a tablet uses about 3 watts per hour, which results in the release of 1.8 grams of carbon dioxide. That means you could take notes on a tablet for more than 7 hours before surpassing the greenhouse gas emissions of a single sheet of paper. Throughout its lifespan, a tablet device will account for 104 kilograms of carbon dioxide, equivalent to 7,700 sheets of paper.
Moving on to number 11, sustainable cities and communities. TGS complies with an environmental management system based on the ISO 14001 standards. Using Kaizen, TGS continues to monitor our operating procedures, ensuring efficiency. Here are some examples of our initiatives. Deploying energy-saving technologies, reducing our waste. We have implemented a recycling policy to ensure that materials are disposed of efficiently throughout our business. Additionally, we are evaluating our supply chain by encouraging the use of local suppliers to reduce transport emissions and their commitment to reduce their carbon footprint. Let's look at number 12, responsible consumption and production. As previously mentioned, TGS is committed to the recycling policy by using a local eco-park recycling service, having a paperless system and being accredited with environmental ISO 14001. Additionally, TGS is conscious of reducing packaging with their suppliers and within TGS operations by continuously improving practical packaging designs. Lastly, number 14, life below water. A commitment to local and global aspects of life below water, TGS has committed to not using single-use plastics to lower plastic pollution. Grey water reuse generated from domestic purposes allows TGS to reuse the grey water for non-potable purposes, such as car cleaning during the pre-delivery inspection. Locally, TGS supports the local Nautilus project, which is a marine conservation charity.
Let's now take a look at our financial sustainability commitments. Piers, it's over to you.
Thank you, Ian and Joanna. I'm Piers Watson and I'm the UN Sales Manager here at TGS. I would like to share with you TGS's financial sustainability efforts and how this contributes to environmental objectives and sustainable investments. Let's focus on SDG number 13 regarding climate action. Climate change is now affecting every country on every continent. It is disrupting national economies and affecting lives, communities, and countries today and even more so tomorrow. We are all experiencing the significant impacts of climate change, which includes changing weather patterns, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events. The greenhouse gas emissions from human activities are driving climate change. They are now at their highest levels in history. Without action, the world's average surface temperature is expected to rise over the 21st century. It is likely to surpass 3 degrees Celsius this century, with some areas of the world expected to warm even more than that. The poorest and most vulnerable people are sadly being affected the most. We have made contributions with the following. Our office lighting system is designed to conserve energy with automatic on-off switches, resulting in a 90% reduction in energy costs. Electric forklifts, like the one you can see behind me, to move goods within our operations lower our maintenance costs by a maximum of 50%. We have issued our colleagues with dopper bottles in conjunction with our water filter stations to help reduce the use of single-use plastics and paper cups, reducing furthermore our carbon footprint. Our end-user documents that we send out to our customers around the world are delivered digitally to reduce air courier and paper printing costs. Furthermore, our video conferencing applications help to maintain customer relations by reducing the need to travel for meetings, therefore reducing transport costs. Our electric painting ovens replace oil fuel ovens, reducing the use of fossil fuels and reducing our financial costs also. Let's now go to Aya Chahid in the Ambulance Centre, who will present the TGS social sustainability efforts.
I'm Aya Chahid, a sales executive for the UN sector. Social sustainability works along the same lines as environmental sustainability, but involves the impact on people instead of the environment. According to the United Nations Global Compact, social sustainability in business is about identifying and managing business impacts, both positive and negative, on people in the company, in the supply chain, and in the community where the company does business. The TGS efforts for social sustainability focuses on SDG number 3, good health and well-being, specifically for where our clients operate. We shall present our efforts of giving back to local communities through our training programs and our products and services. Driver training, road safety program, eco-driving training, and TGS as an ambulance supplier to the humanitarian community. And inspiring our clients with options such as the Smart Bar that promotes pedestrian safety, tested by the Center of Automotive and Safety Research for head injury criteria. A Smart Bar bull bar is hollow and constructed from flexible, durable plastic. This allows the structure to compress under impact before bouncing back to almost perfect shape in many cases. This reduces the likelihood of serious injury. Our training courses provide an investment by giving health and safety strategies by promoting a positive social impact through education. These are available through online sessions and face-to-face learning. Additionally, we provide YouTube how-to videos. Please join Daniel Hardy, the TGS Road Safety Program Manager, who will deliver a webinar on the sustainable efforts of the TGS Road Safety Program and its success so far. Moreover, our expertise with our ambulance conversions and safety options such as the Smart Bar improves risk management to prevent vehicle-related accidents. Education is not accessible to all. In addition to our fleet training services, TGS is fortunate to present the 4th SDG Quality Education through a scholarship program. The George A.C. Basadona Scholarship is for sponsored students from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. This scholarship funding provides LSHTM master students with financial assistance for activities relating to their master's project, including travel and research costs.
We have presented TGS sustainability commitments throughout our operations. We focused on the financial, environmental and social sustainability efforts and how they apply to the UN Sustainable Development Goals to ensure that we contribute and work together for a greener future. In addition, our team is holding a breakout session to cover those critical road safety and sustainability topics in more detail. We have provided updates on the RAV4 hybrid and the started city car, which contribute towards carbon neutrality goals and mobility solutions to all. Toyota will continue to work towards greener mobility solutions. This development will take time, and we will inform you of the progress. In the near future, we will announce some exciting news about the introduction of more fuel-efficient vehicles for field use, which I am sure you'll find very interesting. Earlier on, in this presentation, we explained that we are now a specialized distributor for Toyota Tsusho Corporation for the supply of vehicles to the United Nations and international aid organizations. This is a stronger role which brings us even closer to Toyota and will bring more benefits to our customers in terms of flexibility and added services. Our new stocking locations, which we have started to set up in Dubai, in addition to Gibraltar, and are planned for a new stock depot in Durban, will also bring more value to our customers and more sustainable solutions for logistics and supply chain processes. Last year, we explained the challenges we faced in terms of production capacity due to shortage of key components such as microchips and also the worldwide logistic chain disruptions. Unfortunately, production challenges still remain, albeit Toyota has worked very hard to minimize disruptions as much as possible. We do, however, apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused, and we will continue to work tirelessly with Toyota to alleviate the impact as much as possible. To close, on behalf of Toyota and everyone at TGS, we would like to thank you for choosing Toyota vehicles for your projects and for the fantastic work you do to provide help to those in need. TGS and TTC will continue to do our best to support your operations. Please reach out to us if you wish to discuss your specific situation. We will be happy to study your requirements with you.